How to get Apple gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can get the Apple gift card online. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to get the Apple gift card online, just open up one of your browser onto your mobile device. After that, you just need to type in apple.com/shop/gift cards. Gift dash cards, and you'll be taken to this Apple gift card page. So here you just need to tap on this buy option and you'll be taken to another page where you can find different kind of options like how would you like to send it. You may just choose to send it by mail and get a collective sticker or email. I'm just going to type in email for now. After that, you need to choose a design, like what kind of design you want. I'm just going to choose this one right here. And you need to choose an amount like 25, 50, 100 and other amount as well. For example, I'm just going to choose 25. And you're going to type in the recipient name, like for whom you are buying the Apple card for example, this person right here. And you need to enter the recipient email address. I'm just going to type in the email address of that person. After that, you're just going to type in your name here and your email address again. And then you may also add a personalized message for your loved one, like whatever kind of message you want, like, hi, this is for you. This is for you, something like that, a sweet message that you want. After that, tap on save and add it to back. After adding it to back, you'll be redirected to another page where you need to go on with the process of checking out. Just tap on checkout. After that, you also may look for the product if you want. I'm just gonna go on with continue as guest checkout. You may just go up your account if you want. After that, just go on with the payment method that you normally do, like entering your email and phone number and using your credit card or debit card, or you may also use PayPal as a payment method. After that, just check out and that gift card should be placed. The order should be placed, and maybe you need to enter your shipping address as well, and that's how you basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.